All right, everybody, we're at this Troy-built Bronco lawnmower. It has the Kohler SV591 engine in it. Basically, we came out and the carburetor was leaking fuel from down in that shaft down there and just leaking fuel constantly out. So we called our local shop up and they said that the float or the pin is probably stuck or the shutoff went bad. New carburetor is ridiculously expensive, and even the rebuild kit was expensive. So we went ahead and bought this Powell carburetor. It fits a whole bunch of Kohler motors, everything, because this motor is found in tons of lawnmowers. Seemed to have good reviews. We read the reviews. A lot of people were saying that it didn't ship with the gaskets or it didn't ship with the filter or the wires. This one seems to have everything in it. We also got the gaskets around here somewhere. There we are. So it came with the gaskets, everything. It looks decent. It looks like it's gonna be real good. We'll get it on here and see if it stops the leaking, and we'll compare the two of them. All right, there are some noticeable differences. As you can see, the unit on the right is the aftermarket one from Amazon, and the one on the left is the OEM Kohler one. The first difference is the butterfly valve there has several holes in it. The OEM one does not, it only has one. This top part is plastic versus the OEM being metal. It's overall smaller. The plug connectors are oriented different, but they look like they're the same type. Everything else is pretty much the same. You're gonna have to take the white clip there from the OEM one and transfer it over, because this carb did not come with it. We're gonna get it back together and see if this thing will run. All right, so far it's bolted up like a charm. Everything fit very well. We'll get the fuel line hooked up, start it up, and see if it runs. Also, we didn't even need to use the included connector. The OEM one worked just fine. All right, we got it installed, everything bolted up fine. No issues at all. Your fuel bowl is gonna be empty because it's a new carburetor. There's no real way to fill it. So if you can see the smoke there, we turned it over a few times to get the fuel sucked up into the filter. But it'll take a second for it to start. So we're gonna put the choke on and we're gonna try it now and see how it runs. All right, that's right out of the box, no adjustments, ladies and gentlemen. So you cannot beat this for the price. We're gonna put the air box on it and just let it warm up. All right, everybody, we took it around the yard for a spin and it works wonderful. No leaks, no anything. It actually seems like it runs a lot smoother now. And there it is on there. So definitely Amazon for the win on this one. Came through and saved the day. We'll see how long the carb lasts. We'll update you guys if something happens.